Hi guys, this is Sakshi Gupta from Delhi. I got to know about this dermatographic test through my brother. I still remember 6 to 8 months ago I got a call from him. I could sense the excitement in his tone, and he told me that you should try this. He was all excited and amazed by the thing he has just discovered, and he strongly recommended me that I should get through it and I should go for it. He told me that I got to know so much about myself. I was all impressed, and so I went through. Thought, why not to give a try? Well, after that, I gave my fingerprints. I got my report. I didn't go for the consultation then. I thought I know myself better and I can read the report, and I think I got the information which I needed. Until now, very recently, 2 3 months ago, I was at that point of my life when you think that everything around is crushing or everything around you is not good. And I remember I had a word with my brother, and he told me that I should go for the consultation. It'll help you. It'll give you a newer perspective. So I thought, why not? If he is saying so. So I went through the consultation, and Rajesh Ji is the person who did it. And I think I have no word for it. I was totally blown away by the details he was explaining me about my behavior, about my strength, about my weaknesses, about the way I react to things. And I was completely amazed. Not only he helped me to know me better, but he also told me solutions or ways to improve me. And I was totally thankful to him that I went for the consultation, and I was so glad that I did that. And after that, I also did a also when I also did the report for my son as well. And yes, of course, it was very helpful. It's been 3 months now, and I know why he react in such ways, why he's giving that expression, why he's reacting that way, and I know how to tackle him or how to make him understand if he's doing something wrong better. So all thanks to Rajesh Ji, he is doing a great job. He's a great consultant. He really explained well, and he knows it. He knows what he's doing. So he's exceptionally very talented. Add one more thing, that in parenting, if you know what your child's is like and what your child talent is, it really help you in the process of nurturing them, in the process of when they are growing up. It's been 2 3 months, and it had really helped me for my child, and of course for myself. I know myself better, and I know the ways I can choose. I know my weaknesses and how can I improve it. So all thanks to Rajesh Ji. Thank you.